Can I ask a question real quick about offers to owners, the concierge process setup? So we're spinning a lot of plates. One of the things that I really liked about Land Academy and what you guys are doing is y'all's business model is very much in alignment with what we're doing. Y'all are just several years ahead, not in age and experience, and so the idea of creating an assembly line. So I love the organizational chart, Jack, that you put together, because that to me it resonates so much. And so what I'm trying to understand is how exactly does the concierge model work? What do they do? What do they not do? What does it actually cost? Because I'm like Ricky Bobby. I want to go fast, and I feel like we're right there. How do I go right? So can that help us go faster and make the process more streamlined and efficient?
Think of your business as like a football or a bell curve. You can, this is my opinion, you can never really scale to where you want to go. And there's a lot of people that, I'm making a big deal out of this whole career path number 3. A lot of people said they're here to scale. And so are you, you're one of them. So if you think about it as a football, there's a lot of front end work that goes on with the mailer, and it's a pain point for some people. And then there's a lot of back end work that, which is a pain point for me for selling this property. So you want to outsource both of those things.
If you outsource both of those, what are you going to do?
Nothing.
Exactly.
You're going to just, you're going to spend all day like Brandon finding new places to send mail and making decisions about whether or not you should be buying property or hiring.
Yeah, awesome.
I have a checklist of the things that I want them to do. I start them with my own little SOP. And then, but I say, please build it out and make it your own. And I want you to think about hiring your replacement. And it's, it makes them feel good and that's the goal, is to move them up and have somebody underneath them. And then they build out their own checklist of what's, really involved in the job. And then I can go back and review it and say, yeah, don't do this. This is silly. Or please do more of that. And it takes a good 6 months, I think, ramp up time in that position, but then you're good.